Welcome back my channel. The KTM 990 RCR Cup 2026 has arrived as one of the most exhilarating machines to ever roll out of Mattighofen, and it's already generating shockwaves across the racing community. This motorcycle isn't just another step forward for KTM, it's a declaration of intent. Built with a razor-sharp focus on performance, precision, and rider engagement, the 990 RCR Cup 2026 embodies the raw and unfiltered spirit of track-bred engineering. It signals KTM's determination to dominate middleweight racing categories and give riders a machine that feels visceral, mechanical, and alive at every twist of the throttle. At first glance, the 990 RCR Cup looks unapologetically aggressive. Its aerodynamic fairing is sculpted with functional edges, designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance while delivering maximum downforce. The slim LED headlight, tucked neatly into the sharp front cowl, enhances the bike's purposeful expression. KTM's signature orange livery, splashed across its lightweight fairing and trellis subframe, pulls your attention immediately. This is a machine built with performance in mind, not subtlety. Everything about the motorcycle hints at speed, and the closer you inspect it, the more its track-focused DNA becomes obvious. Beneath the skin lies a heart that defines the entire experience: KTM's all-new 990cc parallel twin engine. Tuned specifically for racing, this motor delivers explosive mid-range torque and a fierce top-end surge, giving riders the flexibility to power out of corners with confidence or push the machine to breathtaking speeds on straights. KTM has engineered the engine to be incredibly responsive, ensuring immediate feedback with every wrist movement. The Cup version features race-optimized mapping, an enhanced cooling system, and weight-reduced internals that allow the engine to rev faster and harder without compromise. It's a thrilling powerplant that strikes a remarkable balance between brute force and rideability. But power means nothing without control, and the 990 RCR Cup excels here too. The bike uses a lightweight chromoly steel frame engineered for stiffness in critical areas while allowing subtle flex for improved corner feel. Paired with KTM's advanced WP Apex Pro suspension components, the bike becomes incredibly agile and communicative on the track. Every bump, every camber change, and every ripple in the asphalt is transmitted clearly to the rider, transforming the motorcycle into an extension of the body. Whether you're tipping into a hairpin or launching into a high-speed sweep, the 990 RCR Cup maintains composure, precision, and unwavering stability. Braking performance receives equally meticulous attention. KTM equips the Cup version with top-tier Brembo racing components, ensuring brutal stopping power with incredible modulation. Riders can trail brake with confidence, knowing the system offers predictable behavior even under extreme heat. The lightweight wheels further reduce rotating mass, helping the bike change direction with improved quickness and stability. Electronics are present but refined with a purist mindset. The 990 RCR Cup's rider aids are adjustable and track-oriented, focusing on enhancing rider skill rather than masking mistakes. Traction control, launch control, wheelie management, and multiple engine maps can all be tailored to individual preferences, ensuring that both amateur racers and seasoned professionals can extract maximum performance. KTM includes a race-ready quickshifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, allowing riders to maintain greater control and momentum through aggressive riding. The seating position is unapologetically sporty. With rear-set footpegs, clip-on handlebars, and a narrow waist, the ergonomics put the rider in a fully committed, race-focused posture. Yet, despite its hardcore design, the bike remains surprisingly intuitive, allowing riders to adapt quickly. The lightweight build and balanced chassis make it approachable for those looking to enter competitive racing while still delivering the fierce edge that experienced riders demand. Ultimately, the KTM 990 RCR Cup 2026 is much more than a motorcycle, it's a statement. It pays homage to the essence of racing while incorporating modern engineering that pushes boundaries. It invites riders to sharpen their skills, chase adrenaline, and experience the purity of competition. As it hits circuits around the world, one thing is clear: KTM has raised the bar for what a middleweight race machine can be, and the thrill it promises is nothing short of electrifying.